Good morning, Mama. Welcome to Mama Nest TV, a cozy and caring space for moms and little ones. Today, we're sharing easy, healthy breakfast ideas for toddlers. Simple meals that are nutritious, tasty, and quick to prepare. Our first breakfast is banana oat porridge. Cook oats in milk or water until soft, then mash in a ripe banana. This meal is rich in fiber, gentle on tiny tummies, and keeps your toddler full and happy. Next, we have egg and veggie toast fingers. Scramble one egg with finely chopped vegetables like carrot or spinach. Spread it on toast and cut into small fingers. This breakfast is packed with protein and supports healthy growth. Another quick option is a yogurt and fruit bowl. Add fresh fruits like apple, banana, or berries to plain yogurt. This meal helps digestion and provides natural energy for active little ones. Always offer water alongside breakfast and let your child eat at their own pace. A calm breakfast routine builds healthy habits and positive eating behavior. Thank you for being part of the Mama Nest TV family. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more gentle parenting tips and healthy ideas for kids. See you in the next video.